got through most of it already. Back out for round 2 out here. This is gonna be the car. Check the oil. Oh, we got the plows coming out. Hello, plow guy. Plow it up. And yeah, gonna take a look at the Mini. Clean the Mini. Check the oil. Make sure everything's all good. Oh, this guy's gonna wait. Oh, he's gotta wait. Alright, leave that in there for now. Clear some snow. Check the oil. Make a start. That's a nice little hat. You know, extendo clip, dog. Extendo clip. Yeah, extendo clip is the way. Extend the clip. And I was like, I only have a small car, so I'm good with a small snow brush, but this Megatron type snow brush is helpful, obviously. Move the car, somebody. She is thick. Yeah, this is good, this is good. This smells like powder, so nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. But I mean, enough of it, and it's quite a bit to move. That charger doesn't look like it's going anywhere. That person has not been there. And then that Scion. That Scion's got to be the one to move. Somebody go ring the doorbell. Ring the bell. My only thing's the back here. I would like to, I don't want to clean it with a brush, is the dirt. Could I take some snow and clean this? I think we're good. It took all of 2 minutes. Sweet. At least nothing's icy. That was the 3rd degree honk. Somebody, come on, go ring the doorbell. Alright. Pop the hood. Gloves off for this. Don't want to put too much snow, if any snow, in there. Went for a bit of a rip yesterday. Roads were not ideal, but still got some driving in. Yeah, just under half, I think. Yeah, be a while before I need a top up. But let's start her up. Start it up, vroom vroom, start it up. start it up and move it so I can place some of the snow in a better spot. Turn this up. There we go. Oh, yeah, the truck can't move, then this guy can't go. Classic. We'll go for a drive in a bit.